up another video here. We're playing Entry Point once again. It is very laggy for you guys because I have watched my own content. Oh no, Mac! Mac reset! I don't have my drill.
This time there was no pussyfooting, as there had been in the northern.
So guys,
heavy and medium bombers.
I don't. Yeah, in the bag I don't have the drill.
Positions in 3 waves and gave them such a pastoral.
The reason why I'm resetting is because the main part of the mission is to have a drill. You really need the drill.
As it exploded and burned, lurid light illuminated the scene.
Yeah, silent drill. So don't just buy. I was about to say we have to go back to the menu, but we don't.
That some British troops began to believe that the bombers.
Okay, there we go. Let's go.
They fancied encounter little or no opposition.
And the team drill, and the flipping drill. Silent one.
Of the Germans. And the fact that by now they were.
I'll just drop it to show it to you if it's actually a silent drill. Yeah, it's a silent drill.
For the first couple of hours.
Were you trying to steal it?
The 11th Armoured Division found it going easy, and they made.
Turn on my laser. Is it on? No, it's not.
The division reached the village of Canyon.
Oh, I pulled it out in public.
The bombardment unscathed.
I re-watched my video, and sometimes my comedy can be so funny. Break it.
Division, the Guards Armoured Division, fighting its first battle. Was
He's gonna come over here. Get him!
Heading for Borswood. They ran into a barrage of German tank and anti-tank fire. The RAF forward.
Mac, he's gone into the wall. Get him!
So there was no chance of calling up vital.
Get him quickly.
Further back, the Highland Division.
Okay, just get down on the floor while we're doing this because people can actually see us. Mac, just remember we have to actually interrogate them. Interrogate the others because we don't want to be killed on the flipping site now, do we? I'll drop the key card. Mac, do you want the key card?
The terrain was littered with wrecked and burning.
Oh, okay, then I'll drop mine then, because I need space for the thingy down. We're taking the money. Open this, by the way. I would drill it, but it takes so long. Just make sure there's no other people. Make sure there's no other people around. Yeah, we're...
The way his plan for Goodwood had gone so terribly.
Mac, what game mode are we on?
British understatement, he called it a tremendous flop.
Oh yeah, get in.
The men of the 3rd Canadian Division,
why not operative? We were sick of operative.
In conjunction with Goodwood, had shared in the disaster. They used much stronger language. It was justified.
Yeah, open that.
Lost nearly 2,000 men.
I'll wait for you outside. You just interrogate him. No, interrogate him. I'll interrogate him! Mackie could have gave up the vault code. She could have gave up the vault code. She could have gave up the vault code!
The best street food, your own little beach hideaway.
I'm not drilling it.
Traditions, or tweeting the march of the king penguins. Our experts have been creating award-winning journeys to every corner of Latin
Just open it.
for almost 40 years.
Yep, we're shutting that!
Create yours. Journey Latin America. It's all about...
Max, look at the cameras.
Atoll protected.
I think somebody's coming in.
Precious hours of sleep.
Somebody's coming in. I think somebody's coming in. Mac, you take that key card. Get down on the... Interrogator. I'll just stand in front of the door going... Did you just kill her? I heard it. You did. We need the vault. We need the key card. Grab the key card. We need the card. Yeah, we need the retard. Okay, Mac. You go knock. Oh, screw it. Just knock him out. Mac, we keep this one here. He looks fine. If the manager sees him, kill him. Mac, I'm just speaking to my fellow employee. Yeah. Oh, you want to be shot now? Okay. Yeah, Mac, he's still alive. Hello. Yeah, I know. I already killed you.
Discover my business and many others like it.
was thinking Mac was going to come along.
Fast fiber essential right now and get an Amazon
Hi.
Echo on us. Alexa, turn the music up. Get the smart
Now he's dead.
more powerful than the ones you get from other big providers. It's $29.99 a month for only 18 months.
Mr. Manager! Give me a sec, we need the Mr. Manager.
Before 21st of February.
I just want to go up behind him and say, hey, put your hands up, please.
BT broadband or call 0800
Is he?
Alexa, stop the music.
Tell him to put his hands up and put his hands in his bum as well.
But it's not you only needs big. It's Tuesday. It's a whopping 130.
Yes, sir, we need to know the vault code. And I'm interrogating him.
Here's a very exciting experiment to see how much easier a new ferry with lift action makes it up, even on these. Ready, steady.
He didn't give up the vault code because you killed him. Mac, that means we can't do silence. We can't do silent now. Oh yeah, we can get the vault code off the damn computer. Picklock it, because I think people get suspicious
New formula ferry.
if they find out their door's been shot at.
At LV, our car insurance comes.
I forgot that we could hack it.
That's why we've made our multi-car policy. Our cheapest way to get cover for your household would be switched to.
Hello? Mac, should I fire at that guard?
Just imagine if you insure 2, 3 or more cars with us, how much you could save.
I shot it! I didn't.
Multi-car discount. Go direct to LV.
Mac, stand still. I'm going to put this up your bum. Stand still, I'm going to put it up your bum. Oh, for God's sake.
Ideal hotel.
Your moves!
Type in where you want to go.
Run for it! Run! He's insane!
Finally, compare the different prices for the same hotel.
Yeah, you never saw. Wow! No! Stay away.
Trivago.
Oh no, Mac, we're trespassing. Make sure nobody can see us.
Like you're underwater.
You do it. Mac, we need the. What are we doing? We need the blueprints. We're so dumb.
Hours.
Come on, we need the blueprints. We need the blueprints and the ID number. What are we doing?
Brave.
Sorry guys, we are a bit rusty. Last time we did this was about a month ago. Oh, so sorry guys. You guys like probably screwed us. Like, dude, what the hell? I like how you shut the door and I shut the window.
Inside, the new Jeep Renegade.
Mac, you check this one on the other side just in case.
5 years warranty, 3 years servicing, 5 years roadside assistance.
Check the other one on your side and then blue and then the other orange. What do you think the blueprints are gonna be? It's gonna be. If it ain't in this one, it's probably in that one over there. Or did you not check the other one? You mean the front? Yes, let's go. Just remember, Mac, we have to wait a while, so don't open the vault yet. Let's wait until we can get them sensors turned down, just so we don't kill ourselves before we do it. Also, a guard will come down. Can't do it.
With the cost, as always,
I don't have the key cards. We're not going to open it yet. No, Mac, don't open it yet. Make sure nobody can see you down here as well, because they'll think we're a bit... Oh, yeah, okay, I'll open it soon then. I'll drop the key card once I do it as well.
Had it not been for his exploits,
Aha!
made him a national hero.
Drilling.
Might well have faced dismissal as commander of the 21st Army.
Drilling takes time, you know. I'm not a flipping engineer, I'm a flipping person. That...
Overall ground commander.
Yeah, I know.
Montgomery remained in place all the same, but he'd fallen a lot.
Okay, sensors are dead.
And his prestige
Okay.
was never entirely restored.
Okay, open. Okay, then I'm dropping this key card,
The situation was Montgomery's
because we don't need it.
He suffered
We're taking the cash, boy.
due to the optimistic front he invariably maintained. No matter what was happening,
Mac, don't worry, I'm in the bush, you'll never see me.
he could no longer justify. A further drawback was Montgomery's inability to confide in security.
Take the money, you get extra cash. Take the money, you get extra cash.
Naturally enough, when his assurances that all was going splendidly were revealed as hollow, Montgomery
You open it, I'll take it.
all-round drubbing. Even the endlessly patient Eisenhower was furious with him, and at a fraught meeting on the 20th of July,
Oh.
he told him so.
Wait, what's this? Wait, Mark, what's this?
was Arthur Tedder.
Why is there papers? Wait, Mark, I just want to open this one. I want to open this one just in curiosity.
For some time, the Allied air forces had been impatient
Ooh,
with
buddy.
the army on the ground. And
Oh, screw it, let's just go. Mark, grab the cash, grab the cash. We're not going if you don't grab the
also
cash.
accused the Second Army of not trying hard enough.
I want to see it on the back. I want to see it. Okay, let's go.
Criticised every
Just remember, if somebody sees us, just run for it.
Bean had Montgomery ordered things differently. But picking Goodwood apart was only play.
Yeah, the drilling it would take too long.
British efforts in Normandy.
I'm not drilling it.
The most compelling of these would not have been criticised.
I'm so glad them sensors are turned off, because every single time we go out that way, it scares me.
In particular, were continually tempered.
Because if the sensors aren't turned off, then we're damn dead. Mac, don't run.
Of course, for those who bore no responsibility.
Yeah, don't look this way, kids. It's just a bunch of drunk dealers, so you don't want to see this boy.
Would have made for better success. Or that risking higher casualties in some operations would have made
Run for it, run for it, run for it.
in the end.
Run for it, Mac!
It was Montgomery who had to act the
Perhaps-
and he shrank from more tremendous costs.
Oh, that was a close one, boy. Mac,
In the end,
look
the arguments were
at our XP.
The success of Montgomery's strategy bore fruit 5 days after the end of
Look.
Goodwood. Montgomery,
Yeah, we're doing that again.
keeping the Germans occupied around Caen, was going to assist the Americans in their efforts to
Yeah, but did you see our XP?
the breakout by the US Third Army.
Mac, did you see the XP? 7,000!
Place at Avranches on the 25th of July. As the Americans
You're a fucking genius. We're flipping rich, boy.
all points east lay before them.
We're back in it again, though. It is a really good game.
Through the gap between Argenton and Falaise.
But, Mac, once I review some of my videos, the comedy in it is so good. So good. We do try to impress you guys and make you happy, so you watch our videos. But it's making it really difficult, you know, when you don't like the video. I look at my videos, I see views, but I don't see a like. That depresses me. But guys, I think you can just a little teeny bit here back in the background, but I'm not too sure. I checked with you in the second video I did. Matt, get him, get him. Okay, got to remember the supply room. Mac, he saw me. That was a close one. Eat my nuts. Never let them do that ever again, because that scared me. Mac, I just saw this white little thing see me. I'm like, oh. Keep that body there. Keep that body there. It's fine. Well, put it in this room if you don't like it. Mac, just a curiosity. Mac, just a curiosity. No, I don't have one. But just a curiosity, we're going to open every single box in there. But it looks like we can't do it for the video, though, because the video is going to end in 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. So, guys, we'll just get to much as we can. But once we get to about 14 and a half minutes, I can't pause a bit. I can't.
On June the 22nd, 19...
Yeah, but that stops the entire video.
stood alone against the Nazis. France
It does, Mac, I've clicked it!
Winston Churchill.
And I did it because I thought it was going to click. No, because that's going to end the video.
To fight on the landing ground,
Okay.
to fight in the fields and in the streets, to fight in the hills.
Why did you kill him, Ma? Why did you kill him? Actually, yeah, guys, I'm actually going to end it here because it's getting pretty late. And, you know, you have your precious... You have your precious time, so I'm going to end the video now. So, see you, boy!